Click subscribe button for more videos.
Central Bank of India. Central Bank of India Recruitment 2024 Notification. The Central Bank of India invites application for 300 numbers of Central Banks of India apprentice posts across India. The application deadline is 6 March 2024. Post name: Central Bank of India apprentice. Number of posts 3000. Number of posts in Meghalaya 5 posts. Age limit: candidate should be born between 1st June 1996 to 31st March 2024 as on cut-off dates. The upper age relaxation is 3 years for OBCs, 5 years for ST/SC, and 10 years for PWD candidate. Salary 15,000. Essential qualification: graduate from any discipline from recognized university or any equivalent qualification. How to apply? All applicants will have to apply online for apprentice post of Central Bank of India from 21st February 2024 to 6 March 2024 by clicking the link below. Application fees for PWBD candidates 400 plus GST, for ST/SC candidates 600 plus GST, for others 800 plus GST. Applicants are advised to go through the Central Bank of India Recruitment 2024 Apprentice official notification. Next, District Program Coordinator RGSA West Hill Jowai invites application for the post of IT Manager on the contract basis. The deadline for application is 15 March 2024. Post name: IT Manager. Place of posting: West Hill District. Age limit as per government norms. Salary 20,000. Essential qualification: MCE or equivalent. How to apply? Interested and eligible candidates may send their application in standard form along with biodata and self-attested testimonials and experience certificates with 2 passport size photos to the District Program Coordinator RGSA West Hill Jowai on or before 15 March 2024. Please subscribe my channel for more updates. Applicants are advised to go through the Meghalaya jobs IT Manager vacancies under the RGSA West Hill's official notification. Thanks for watching.